Understanding Running a Fever, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that often pops up in conversations about health. Running a fever. Understanding this phrase is crucial for non-native speakers, as it can help you better express concerns about health and comprehend discussions involving illness. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, running a fever, refers to the condition where an individual has a body temperature that is higher than the normal range. It's important to note that a normal body temperature for most people is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. When someone is running a fever, it means their body temperature has risen above this average due to an illness or infection. Fevers are often a sign that the body is fighting off some kind of infection, from the common cold to more serious conditions. So, when you hear someone say they are running a fever, it's an indicator that they are not feeling well and possibly need medical attention or rest. Now that we know what running a fever means, let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. Here are a few examples. I'm running a fever. I think I might have caught a cold. My daughter started running a fever last night, so we're going to see the doctor today. If you're running a fever, it's best to stay home and rest. Using this phrase correctly can help you communicate more effectively about health issues, whether you're talking about yourself or someone else. It's crucial to understand when saying someone is running a fever requires medical attention. Generally, adults should consult a healthcare provider if their fever is 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.9 degrees Celsius, or higher and not improving with over-the-counter medications. For children, the threshold can be lower, so it's important to seek medical advice if a child's fever is persistent, especially with other symptoms like rash, difficulty breathing, or extreme lethargy. Remember, while a fever is a common symptom for many minor illnesses, it can also indicate something more serious, especially if it's accompanied by other specific symptoms. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, running a fever. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this common English expression. Remember, knowing how to discuss health issues is a vital part of mastering any language, and phrases like running a fever are key to that aspect of English. Stay healthy, and see you in our next video.